Operations on sets. We start with the first operation, that is called union. If A and B are sets, then we define their union as a set consisting of all elements that belong to capital A or capital B, and it is denoted by A union B. Thus A union B is equal to, within curly braces, X, such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Observe that X belongs to A union B if X belongs to A, or X belongs to B, or X belongs to both A and B. So we define this operation, which is called union. If A and B are sets, we define their union as the set consisting of all elements that belong to A or B, and we denote it by A union B. So, in terms of notation, we write this as A union B is equal to X, such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. We observe that X belongs to A union B if X belongs to A or X belongs to B, or X belongs to both A and B, or X belongs to both A and B. Now we shall consider the example of union. Let capital A is equal to A, B, C, E and F. Example. let A is equal to A, B, C, E, F. And B is equal to B, D, R and S. The question is, find A union B. The solution is, since A union B consists of all the elements that belong to either A or B or A union B. So therefore, A union B will be equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, R, S. A, B, C, D, E, F, R, S. The illustration is given by Venn diagram. We illustrate this using Venn diagram. If A and B are the two sets, if capital A and B are the two sets, then A union B is a set represented by the shaded region. Suppose if A and B are there and there is a universal set, then A union B is represented in this manner. So this is A union B. So it is consisting of elements of A or the elements of B or the elements of both A and B. So the shaded region is nothing but A union B. Next. Next operation that we are going to study is intersection. If capital A and capital B are sets, if capital A and capital B are the sets, we define intersection as the set consisting of all the elements that belong to both A and B. Then we define intersection as the set consisting of all the elements that belong to both A and B and it is denoted by A intersection B and it is denoted by A intersection B. Let us take example of this. Example. Let capital A is equal to A, B, C, E, F. A, B, C, E, F. Capital B is equal to B, E, F, R, S. B, E, F, R, S. And capital C equal to A, T, U, V. A, T, U, V. Then you have to find, suppose, A intersection B A intersection C and B intersection C and B intersection C. Now B intersection, suppose we find A intersection B. So we have only three elements common, B, E and F. So A intersection B will be equal to B, E and F. B, A and F. These are the common elements in A and B. Next, A intersection C. That is equal to A because we have only one element which is common in A and C. So A intersection C is equal to A. Now we take the example of B intersection C. B intersection C. Now B intersection C, all the elements are different. That is, there is no element that belongs to both B and C. So B intersection C is an empty set. So we write this as there are no elements that belong to both B and C. So B intersection C is equal to null set or empty set. Now how this empty set is represented? We all know, we have studied it earlier. Suppose there is no element common, so B and C. So this is a example of empty set. Now let us see the illustration of intersection by using Venn diagrams. This is denoted by A intersection B. Suppose there are two elements, two sets A and B, set A and set B. Then their intersection is represented in the form of a shaded figure, which is this. So this shaded portion is A intersection B. This is complete universal set. Set A and B are intersecting, so this part is intersection. This is the figure of A intersection B. Next, please. Disjoint sets. The third operation that we are going to learn is disjoint two sets that have no elements in common or that have no common element, such as B and C, suppose, are called as disjoint sets. Such as A and B, called disjoint. Using the Venn diagram, we can represent it in this form, A and B. In the earlier example, we had seen B and C as disjoint. Okay. So such sets that have no common elements are called disjoint sets. Next, operations can be defined on 3 or more sets. Operations may be defined on 3 or more sets. Example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. B is equal to 1, 3, 8, 9. And C is equal to suppose 1, 3, 6, 8. Then suppose if we want to find A intersection B intersection C, it is a set of elements that belong to A, B and C is the set of elements that belong to A, B and C. So A intersection B intersection C will be equal to 1, 3. Because 1 is common and 3 is common, in all the 3 sets. So this operation is defined on more than 2 sets. We have taken 3 sets and intersection of A, B and C together. Next, complement of B with respect to A. Complement of B with respect to A. If A and B are the two sets. We define the complement of B with respect to A as A minus B is equal to X, such that X belongs to A and X does not belong to B, and X does not belong to B. X does not belong to B. Let us take an example. Let A is equal to ABC. And B is equal to BCD. BCDE. Then the elements which do not belong to A are D and E. So then A minus B is equal to DE. Next, symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference A and B is given by the element X, such that X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. Or X belongs to B and X does not belong to A. So let us take the example of symmetric difference. It is denoted by this encircled plus symbol. Let us consider the example. Let capital A equal to A, B, C, D. And capital B is equal to A, C, E, F, G. Now we have to find the symmetric difference. Thus, symmetric difference of A and B will be given by, we want to find the elements which are present in A and not in B. So we get B, D, E, F and G. B, D, E, F and G. In other words, we can say symmetric difference of A and B will be equal to A minus B union B minus A. Now this is represented in the form of Venn diagram. Suppose A is here and B is there, then symmetric difference of A and B is given by the shaded portion. Okay, so today we have seen different operations on sets which include union, intersection, complement, the complement of B with respect to A, symmetric difference. Thank you.